Hello everyone, this is Isabel. I'm in Dallas at the Global NaaS event, and today I'm joined by David Ward. He's the Chief Product and Technology Officer at Lumen. David, welcome to my hot seat.
Thank you very much, Isabel.
So, David, we're at the NaaS event, Network as a Service. How can enterprise use that technology?
Really interesting about network as a service. And the way I like to explain it is that NaaS is a consumption model for automated network services and connectivity. And so really what it allows enterprises to do, one, is have a foundation of automation and orchestration for all their connectivity and the services within the connectivity that's there. But really what's most important is that it changes the consumption model. It changes, one, by changing the terms, setting a notion of usability. And really the networking industry is now to the point where we're taking the concepts, the commercial concepts from cloud, and applying them to our infrastructure. So enterprises themselves can have on-demand connectivity up and down the stack, waves, Ethernet and IP, and private IP, and they can consume it the way they want to use it and integrate it with their workflows. So it's a fantastic movement for the industry.
What about PCF? You just announced that you launched that. Tell me more about it.
PCF is our private connectivity fabric. And what we're really advocating for is a fundamental change to the architecture of networks into one that's mesh-based. And it's really a counterpoint to the legacy MPLS VPNs, which were hub and spoke, cost inefficient, bandwidth inefficient, latency inefficient, and in particular didn't include data centers and cloud as first-class citizens in that architecture. So it's time for a new architecture, and that's what private connectivity fabric is about. But there's two more points. One is that all of those products and services are delivered through a digital platform, API first, of course, with portals, but really it's that API first mentality, and also why we're so involved in the Metro Ethernet Forum. And then third, the consumption model is network as a service.
Okay. So at Lumen, you do a lot of innovation. You use innovation for your customers. Tell me what you do with innovation to help your customers.
So we are innovating our butts off right now. And really what we're focusing on not only is one piece of innovation actually is a dramatic increase in the amount of fiber services and bandwidth available to the internet today. It's the largest expansion of the internet in our lifetime right now to meet the demand of AI. And as we all know, there's 5,000 data centers in the US, there's 2,500 under construction. And those new AI data centers in particular are multi-hundred megawatt or single gigawatt of size, just an order of magnitude of power more than we were used to. So now our innovation is to meet that challenge. Not only are we constructing, which I already mentioned, but also this means that we're immediately moving to managed optical fiber networks, which are available through a digital platform. Waves on demand, not seen in the industry. Ethernet connectivity, in which not only are we delivering it digitally, but we're rebuilding our metro network to be a metro routed optical network. And also, next we have and are adopting a completely different operations and billing stack or technology stack to be able to deliver this based on MEF product descriptions and service descriptions, and building an ecosystem of partners around that to be able to enable a whole new level and set of connectivity services than has been provided by other providers.
A lot going on.
An immense amount going on, but it's a great time to be in the industry simply because this transition where the demand of AI, the focus on delivering connectivity services, and also now brand new fiber available in the industry, it's a fantastic time to be here.
Okay. I'm sure you're a busy guy with all these innovations going on, so thank you very much for doing a great interview.
Thanks, Isabel. Talk to you soon.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next hot shot.